Sri Radhe guys, my name is Mark Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's train video without having the further delay. So this video is going to be the routine of day 251 of the day 14th August 2024, and yeah, we have completed 250 days yesterday. So we are going to the from today, and our next target to achieve date 300. And after that, our next target will not be after 300. Our next after the 300, the next target will not be 350 days. The target will be 365 days, just because we will complete on that day 1 year. There is only a difference between 250 to 265, only 15 days difference. So yeah, it's not too much. So not too much. Yeah, basically time is very important, but a part of this our next target will be at 365, not 350 only. Not only, so we will complete 1 year. That's why I'm telling to you that. So yeah, we will complete 1 year in the day 365, because in 1 year there is only 365 days. Yeah, so let's start the screen video without having a further delay. So basically guys, today basically I didn't woke up very soon. My mother came and tries to woke me, but I again went for the sleep. Again my mother tries to woke up me. So after that, I woke up and I brought my cloth and I went to the ground floor. Okay, so yeah, and I don't know that I went to the bathroom or not. After that, I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I worshipped at a very proper manner, and after that I went to the first floor for attending the live class on YouTube. Basically, there is a live class happening. So I've attended. After that, I went to the ground floor and I brought food. What I brought. So before going to take live class, let me tell you that I ate two roti with paneer sabzi. And after attending the class, I went to the ground floor and I brought two roti and one mango and their sabzi, yeah, potato and pointed gourd, uh, fried potato and pointed gourd sabzi. Okay, not sabzi, it is fried potato and pointed gourd. Uh, two chapati, that means two roti, fried potato and pointed gourd, with both of them mixer, and one mango and some namkeens I brought. I don't know what we call namkeen in English, but I'll answer very soon. But I like to speak Indian words of the names. Okay, so yeah. So after that, what I had done, uh, yeah, I brought these items and also one water bottle. So I brought to the first floor and I ate while watching my phone. So after that, I didn't do nothing. I started watching something, and yeah, I'm not done anything after that. So basically, this is the thing which was actually happened, and after that, I went to the ground floor, and after that, I didn't do much thing. So basically, after that, I went to the first floor and I tried to help to my mother for something work. And after that, I went to the ground floor, and again I went to the first floor. And after that, again I went to the ground floor, and my mother brought food for me. And after that, I ate, and after that, I watched something. And yeah, basically, that this is the thing which was actually happened. After that, I went to the first floor and I laid down to the bed and trying to use my phone. And after that, I didn't do much thing. I went to the ground floor, and after that, my mother brought food for me. So I ate what I ate today. I ate potato plus pointed gourd sabzi. So I ate today, and yeah, so with rice. So yeah, basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened. After that, I didn't do much thing. I went to the first floor and I started shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you will understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like my videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. And one thing I wanted to request you, that if you wanna find any kind of mistakes when I spoke, like any grammatical mistakes or English sentence mistakes, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section, so that I can check it and I will improve my English speaking skills. If you do this, then I really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. So guys, without having the further delay, basically this is all the routine which I have actually told what happened today. And now I'm gonna to revise the vocabulary of daily learning, 5 or 10 days, or 5 or 10 words vocabulary of the daily. But today I'm going to learn only 5 vocabulary. Yeah. Today we will gonna to calculate something, how many vocabulary we have learned, and something revise. First, let me complete 5 vocabulary words, and after that we will talk about this. So guys, our first word is stay. Stay means guys रहना. क्या तुम यहाँ रहना पसंद करोगे? Would you like to stay here? Second word is suggestion. Suggestion means guys सुझाव. तुमने उसे क्या सुझाव दिया था? What suggestion did you give him? While जबकि मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया. While I didn't do this. Sorry. While I didn't done this. Third word is Fourth word is blow. Blow means guys फूंक मारना. क्या तुम वहाँ पर फूंक मार सकते हो? Can you blow there? And the fifth word is getting. Getting means guys प्राप्त करना. फिर मैंने उसे प्राप्त कर लिया. After that I getting this not a correct word. I have some confusion. That's I got that. I got it. So basically guys, I have some confusion. So I'm gonna to circle it. Yeah. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened, and we have learned the example of daily 5. And guys, now what thing I am trying to tell you, let me tell you. So as we started from the, I think that 1st June, maybe I don't know exactly, but from 1st June we have started daily learning of minimum 5 vocabulary or 10 vocabulary. But in some days I have revised 10 vocabulary, but on an average I'm going to calculate 5 vocabulary per day. So, and today is the 12th August, sorry, 14th August today. Okay, so I'm going to take on 30 days. I'm not going to take 29 days, 30 days this month. I'm on an average I'm going to take 30 days of the month. So June, July, and this month August, 14 days. So 30 days June, 30 days July. I'm again telling to you guys that I'm not taking the 29 days, 31 days month. I'm only taking the average on 30 days, okay? Because I also don't know what we call, but I can calculate while there's like this method months, but I'm not gonna to do. So 30 plus 30 60 plus 14 74, and if I calculate 74, and I daily learns 5 vocabulary, okay? So 7 5s are 35, 37. So 370 words we have actually done till yet, okay? So basically guys, we have learned 370 words. It's literally guys fantastic, okay? So let me also check in calculator. My calculation is right. Basically I wrote it down and that. So we have done 74 days multiplied by 5, that is 370 guys, okay? So we have learned. So but the thing is that we have already revised and learned this, but after having some time maybe I forget. So I have to make a proper plan so that I can't forget that, and I don't need to remind every time. I just only that word, that's all the words in my tongue, on my tongue. So I have to do really something good. And tomorrow's video I'm going to tell you the planning of about all the things of vocabulary. And yeah, I will tell you all the things what will I actually do regarding this all the 370 vocabulary. But I think that sometimes I've learned learn 10 words in a day. So I think that I already learned more than 400 words, maybe. I don't know exactly what it is, but maybe it's happened, maybe. So yeah, basically this is the thing which I actually wanted to tell you. So tomorrow I'm going to tell you the planning, all the things about that, what's actually will I do, and what's my strategy for doing this. And this will be totally changed in tomorrow. The vocabulary, all about the tense, literally all the things will be changed, okay? So yeah guys, basically this is the thing which I actually wanted to tell you about, all the things about the vocabulary. And I hope you'll understand till here. If you really understand till here, then I already told you, then please likes it, because if you likes me, it really motivates me to encourage It's encouraged me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. Okay, so guys, yeah, this is the thing which I actually wanted to tell you. So one thing I forget to tell you, that guys, today is the 14th August and tomorrow is the 15th August 1947. So tomorrow we will complete 78 years of independence. I think that maybe guys, 78 years of independence, maybe I don't know exactly about it, but I think so. That okay, tomorrow is the 15th August 2024, and maybe it is 78th years of independence. I don't know exactly about it, but maybe. Okay, so yeah guys, let's see what will be happen tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you what's actually happened in Independence Day in India. Okay, so let's end the video guys. See you later. Bye bye.